Good morning, guys. Welcome back to the channel. Today Hannah and I are about to go wake surfing. I'm super stoked. Yesterday I went wake surfing, but before that it had been about 2 weeks since I wake surfed. So it's been a while and I had so much fun yesterday. And I'm excited to bring you guys along today. It's kind of a mess in here right now, honestly. Hannah and I have been sleeping inside of my parents' house while we're here in Arizona. And so we're going to Lake Powell on Friday with my family. I'm super stoked for that because Lake Powell is one of my favorite lakes and it's one of the best experiences in the world. So I'm excited to go there and have a great time and just practice a bunch and just go wake surfing every single day. It's gonna be so much fun and I'm super stoked to bring you guys along. Okay, so Hannah's sleeping inside and we're gonna go wake her up because I think she's still sleeping. So let's go wake her up right now. She's probably gonna be like super tired and super not wanting to wake up, but she has to wake up. We're going wake surfing. Hannah, good morning. We're going surfing, come on.
Not today. I sleep.
Come on, Hannah. We gotta go. Hannah, you got like 5 minutes before we have to leave.
Why didn't you tell me that?
I'm kidding, you got 30, but come on, you gotta get up.
No.
How'd you sleep? We gotta have some coffee. Okay, we're headed to the lake now. I just finished my coffee and had my bagel, so I'm ready to go for the day. I'm super stoked. Hannah, how about you?
I'm super stoked.
I probably said that at least 6 times in the vlog.
That you're stoked.
Yeah, but I really am. I'm so excited. I love wake surfing so much. So we're gonna be going out on a Centurion today. His name is Brian. I'm gonna be giving him some lessons. Not today. Today we're just gonna be going out for fun and just having a good time. So we're headed there right now. It's gonna be on his boat because our transmission on our boat is actually broken. So our transmission went out, so they're fixing that right now. I'm hoping that it'll be done by the time we go to Lake Powell on Friday. But if it's not, I don't know, we'll figure something out. So it's about 16 days till Worlds now, so not much time, and I haven't been getting much practice, but when I do practice, I've been riding really good, so I'm excited. And I feel really ready for this competition too, so I'm so excited to go compete and do a live event. This road is so fun to drive too. It's like a bunch of windy roads and it's fun to drive. I don't drive too fast though. I don't like speeding. It scares me. This is how we know every day if the lake is gonna be good. And I can tell you right now, it's gonna be pretty glassy.
There's just a little bit of wind.
It'll be glassy still though. Trust me. That's always our indicator right there, that flag. If that flag is blowing hard, then it's not gonna be good. Okay, so the guy's boat is a Centurion FI23, and I've actually never been behind a FI series, so I'm interested to see how it'll surf. I'm sure it's gonna surf great. Centurions are awesome boats and they make great waves, so I'm excited to try this one out. It's funny, a lot of people always like try and compare waves, like which boat has the best wave, but I feel like every boat has a great wave. They're just all so different. So it's really about like the whole boat as a whole to me. Like every boat nowadays has great wave and they all surf really good. They all throw a really nice wave. They're just all so different. So there's really no point in choosing which one has the best wave. It's just kind of your preference, what wave you like the best. And if you're looking to get a boat, I would definitely demo all of them and figure out which one you like the best. Not only wave wise, but interior, all the like amenities, like seats, how the layout is, and just figure out what your favorite boat is and what you like out of a boat. Okay guys, so we're gonna finish up this drive to the lake, and I don't know how much we'll be talking to the camera on the boat just because we have never met him and I don't want it to be weird or anything, but we'll kind of show you guys this drive and what it looks like driving through here because it's super pretty, it's super cool. So we'll meet you guys at the lake. Okay guys, we're at the lake now. We just got here and it looks awesome out here. How's it looking, Anna?
Good.
Wave report.
Looking awesome. No white caps today.
That's good. So we're gonna go down to the marina and uncover the boat real quick, get it ready, and then we're gonna go out. I'm super excited. Hopefully we remember the gate code because it's been a while.
Here in a while.
It's probably been at least 3-4 months. We've been to the lake, but just not the marina part. Doesn't look much different though. Alright guys, so we'll see you at the boat. Alright, here's the boat. We're gonna get it all uncovered. Wow, this thing's cool. It's a little hot now. I'm a little hot, but we got this thing all uncovered and it looks so good. What do you guys think of these colors? Yellow and black. It looks nice. I really like it. Wow. The lines on this boat are sick too. What do you think, Hannah?
I like it.
You like it? Okay, so we're gonna wait for him to get here and then we're gonna go surfing. So, Hannah, are you excited?
I'm excited.
Me
I
too.
haven't been to the lake in a while.
I'm sweating. Okay guys, so we'll see you out on the water. We're gonna go surf now. As soon as he gets here, we're gonna go and surf. I'm super excited, so we'll see you there. Alright guys, so that's going to do it for today's video. It was super fun and super big thanks to Brian letting us go out on his boat.
It was really fun.
Yeah, it was so fun. But also, don't forget, we're giving away one of these boards. I just got a shipment in of these, so brand new in the box. All you have to do is follow my Instagram, Hannah's Instagram, JetPilotUSA, and then subscribe to us on YouTube. and you can win that board. We're giving one away every single month, so make sure that you enter that, and then once you do all those things, just shoot me a message on Instagram saying done, and you'll be entered. So we'll see you guys in the next video. Thank you for watching.
See ya!
And make sure that you subscribe too.